Mary had a little lamb.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go.
Letter V. Vegetables. Van. Violin. Vase. Trace and write. Farm animal, sheep. Sheep. Male sheep ram. Baby sheep lamb. Sheep home pen, fold. Uses. Wool. Meat. Color the shapes.
Number 24.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
Trace and write.
Letter W. Wheel. Window. Woodpecker. Watch. Windmill. Trace and write.
Number 25.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Trace and write. Here are some animals which live in the jungle. Giraffe. Elephant. Gorilla. Tiger. Deer. Lion. Bear. Fox. Hippopotamus. Cheetah. Monkey. Wolf.
Match the following.
The Bear and Two Friends. Two best friends were walking on a lonely and dangerous path through a jungle. As the sun began to set, they grew afraid, but held on to each other. Suddenly, they saw a bear in their path. One of the boys ran to the nearest tree and climbed it within a jiffy. The other boy did not know how to climb trees by himself, so he lay on the ground pretending to be dead. The bear approached the boy on the ground and sniffed around his head. Thinking that the boy was dead, the bear went on its way. The boy on the tree climbed down and asked his friend what had the bear whispered in his ear. He replied, "Do not trust friends who do not care for you." Moral: a friend in need is a friend indeed. Wild animals. Animal Papa. Lion. Animal Mama. Lioness. Animal Baby. Cubs. Animal Sound. Roar. Animal Movement. Prowls. Animal Papa. Bear. Animal Mama. Sow. Animal Baby. Cub. Animal Sound. Growls. Animal Movement. Lumbers. Animal Papa. Elephant Bull. Animal Mama. Cow Elephant. Animal Baby. Calf. Animal Sound. Trumpets. Animal Movement. Ambles. Animal Papa. Monkey. Animal Mama. Monkey. Animal Baby. Infant. Animal Sound. chatters. Animal, movement, climbs. Animal, papa, deer, stag, buck. Animal, mama, doe. Animal, baby, fawn. Animal, sound, grunt. Animal, movement, bounce.
Letter X. Xylophone. X-ray. X-moss. Trace and write.
Number 26.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
Trace and write.